Okay, sis. Okay. 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 I did not do that shit. Like, okay. Okay.
You're doing it right.
What's up, babes? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. So good to see all you beautiful faces. Even though I can't, but I know y'all out there. I am MonaeMogul, and I am here today to share with you guys, you know, a little makeup are doing just a regular makeup look, you guys. So if you want to see how to achieve this look, stay tuned. Alright, you guys, first we're going to go in with the Nivea face cream. You know, this is my go-to because my skin is extra dry. So we're just going to rub it in, rub it in, rub it in. Next, we're going to go in with the LA Pro Girls Concealer in the color Almond. And we're going to use that on our eyelids for our eyeshadow base. And of course, we're going to blend, you guys. Blend for the gods, blend for the gods. Next, we're going to go in with our Maybelline setting powder, and we're going to set that concealer. And of course, that's the way to extra. Next, we're going to go in with the treasure box, and this is my go-to. Really, it's a, what is that thing called? A contour color in the palette. But I use it as my eyeshadow, you guys. I had a complete brain fart. And of course, we want to blend that in, blend it very good, because we're going to use that as a transition color. Next, we're going to go in with the Eyes, Lips, and Face palette, e.l.f. And we're going to go in with these two colors. I tried to go for a red color, and that was the reddest colors they had. So, I basically used those two colors, and, I mean, I use a lot of it to at least try to get it, at least to the pigment I want. It definitely wasn't as red as I wanted it, but, hey, it still worked. So, with this color, I definitely, like, dabbed and tried to blend, but not blend. Because I wanted it very pigmented, you guys. Don't be like me. Next, I go in with this gold color, Simple Gold. And I want to put that on my lid. So with this color, you guys, I didn't drag it across my entire lid. I tried to stop halfway in, just so it can have that fading effect. Next, we're going to go in with this regular black mascara, and we just gonna plump them lashes up. And we want to make sure we get all of that gold off our lashes, because we can't be having that now, okay? I'm just saying. Get it? So next, we're going to go in with the Broadway lashes. These are in a style 43, and you can get these at your local beauty supply. I also applied my lashes off camera. Next, we're going to go back in with the Nivea face cream, just to hydrate again, because again, like I told you guys in the previous video, my skin literally sucks up all of the moisture, so we want to add more and more and more. We don't want blotchy makeup. We don't want it to look cakey. No, boo-boo, we can't have that. Next, we're going to go in with the Maybelline Fit Me, the Dewy Plus Smooth, normal to dry in the color Coconut. And we're going to dab this on our hand. And then once we dab that, we're going to dab it on our face. And then once we do that, you guys, y'all know what we do. Y'all know we got to blend for the gods. Also, it may look like it's too light for me, but this shade, well, not this shade, this product oxidized. So, you'll see later on in the video to be more my skin color, okay? I'm not that bad with matching my foundation and stuff. Next, I'm going to go back in with the LA Pro Girl. I almost forgot to show y'all. And we're just going to highlight and contour. This is how I do my highlighting and contour. I will do a video on this. Just this alone, very detailed, because this is just a quick version of how I do it, you guys. You'll see. Next, I'm going to go in with the Black Radiance Concealer Stick, and I use this for my contour. Now, I don't know what color this is, you guys. When I brought this, well, when I was at the store, this was the darkest color they had, and I mean, the other colors like they were going to be too light, so it's been working for me ever since. I put this on my cheek, and I put this on the top of my forehead, and of course my nose. And next, y'all already know what time it is. We have to blend our life away, so let's blend away, ladies. Next, we're going to go back in with the Maybelline Master Fix Setting Powder. And we're going to just set everywhere we put that concealer. So under our eyes, on our forehead, on our nose, and on our chin. I also like to set under my, quads? My contour. Just so I give my contour a little bit more definition and make it pop. Pew! We want it to be popping. So I don't let this sit on my face long, you guys. I dust away like quick, okay? Because you know we don't want to be no powdery donuts. Alright? So you want to just dust. Next we're gonna go in with just a regular black eyeliner pencil, and I'm gonna just put some on my waterline, under my eye. I don't know, but just putting black liner under my eye just always gives my eye just an extra pop that I feel like I need. Next, we're going to go in with the Baked Eyeshadow by Nick Hack, and we're going to use this golden color. We're just going to put this on our nose, and our cheeks, and on eyebrow bone. Yeah. Next, we're going to wipe off our lips, get that foundation off, all off. Clean slate, you guys. And we're going to go in with this brown lip pencil. Okay, so I messed up because I forgot what lipstick I was putting on. You'll see what I do though to fix it. Next, we're going to go in with this soft matte burgundy, actually created by me, MonaeMogulCosmetics. It is not available to the public, but it will be soon, you guys. Just wait. Now, I'm going to go on top of that with the black eyeliner pencil. The black liner pencil, whatever. And I'm going to do what I should have did in the beginning. Next, we're going to go in with the Koki setting spray and just set our face and let that dry. You guys, so this is the final result. Okay, very simple. So, thank you guys for watching this video. If you're interested in learning more makeup tips, just lifestyle, fashion tips, or just if you need a laugh, y'all, just like and subscribe to this video. Make sure you share it and make sure you tell everyone that you know, like, hey sis, go watch my sis, okay? But that's the end of this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!